Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your UGreen WS100. Okay, so first of all you have to be sure that they are turned off. And how to check it: when you click right here on the each button, this indicator will be not turned on. If you want to turn them off, you have to click and hold both touch control panels until this indicator right here turns to the white. It will blink white once. Next, when they are turned off, you have to click and hold until one of the indicator starts blinking quickly blue and white. So take a look. As you can see right now, the left one is blinking blue and white quickly, so we have to release the buttons and go for the pairing option on our device. And we have to select UGreen WS100, click to pair, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.